Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize employee tax forms with Gusto, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize employee tax forms with Gusto, start by logging into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Employees tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Employees to see the list of all your employees. Find the employee for whom you need to authorize tax forms. Click on their name to open their profile. In the employee profile, scroll down to the Tax Documents section. Here, you will see a variety of forms related to taxes, such as the W-4 and state-specific forms. Review the forms that require authorization. If a form is marked as needing your attention, click on it for further details. Read through the information provided about the form. Next, look for an Authorize button, usually located near the form details. Click on the Authorize button to proceed. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Follow the on-screen instructions. After confirming, the form will be marked as authorized in the system. If necessary, repeat this process for other employees or for additional forms. Once all required forms are authorized, review your changes to ensure accuracy. Finally, log out of your Gusto account to secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.